Hello and welcome back to the TerryTracker channel. Today we are at Seaworld, San Antonio, Texas. It's a bit cloudy. It's a bit cooler today because we had a massive thunderstorm last night. But yeah, let's go around, see what we can see who we see, and see what we can do. That is the new ride, Beach Rescue Racer. It's more of a junior ride. I did do a film on that. Well, Emma filmed that using my Meta glasses. I'll put a quick clip of that, but if you want to see the full video, I'll leave a link in the description down below. We're going to head down to Pacific Point Preserve. This is where you can feed sea lions. You can pay and you get the fish and you throw the fish in for the sea lions, etc. But because we are Platinum Seaworld members, we actually get once per month either sea lion feeding or the stingray feeding. So I think we're going to try and do the sea lion feeding because we've done the stingrays in Florida. So let's go see if it's open. Let's go see if we can do that experience now. But I can see a sea lion. This is going to be awesome. This is going to be awesome. I can hear them already. There is a show about to start, so I'm not sure if the sea lion feeding is going to be on or whether these are the same sea lions that do the show over there. I don't know, but we will find out. Yeah, they've come straight to us because they are wanting some food. So we need to go and get some food for them, I think.
Quite possibly.
It knows what I have for it. This is awesome. Well caught. Ready? Well caught. You're greedy, you're going to get them all, aren't you? I'm being followed. You're greedy, you. Oh, there's the big one coming. Where's the big daddy one?
Yeah, they're getting treats. They go out there, they get treats.
Yeah.
The difference is all
they get treats all the time.
They just need to shuffle behind you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See who comes. Are you coming? Got one for you. Good catch. You're greedy. You keep getting them all. Yes, you. Yes, you. No, that's not the big one, Emma. She's only little. Wait till you see the big daddy when he comes round.
Yay!
I managed to get one for that one before as well.
Quick, quick, quick.
Quick.
Yes! Pardon?
You've had lots.
You've already had one off me.
Had 3 off me.
I'm a greedy git, I've only got one left.
Wait till see the massive one that comes round. Wherever he is.
Should just chuck it over there, shouldn't I? And see if he gets it. We last one.
That one's looking good catch. And then it escapes.
Well done. Are we ready? What? Yeah, right, okay.
Feeding frenzy!
Yes. I'm just
There's the big one.
Oh, hello.
See if you can get one for the big one.
Got him. You got him.
Well done.
Okay.
Chuck one in for one of the others. Chuck it. Well caught.
That was quite a catch. Like, I'll stay with Tristan over there.
This one's waiting patiently.
You'll not get it for that one though. I'm trying to
Drop it. That's it.
Oh. Got it done? Right. I'm gonna wash your hands again.
Wow. This is awesome. I love doing this.
You haven't got anything more. Do some tricks first.
Look at them. There's the big daddy. Whoa!
Piss off always.
We've got a little pup, or is it a calf? Are you sure it's a pup? It's not a calf? You think, or you know? Let me know down below if that is a sea lion pup or a sea lion calf. I think it's pup. As an FYI, if you are a Platinum Pass member like we are, you can get yourself a small, it is only a small beer from here. But you will need ID. So we're heading down this way underneath Steel Eel. I tell you what, there's no way I'm going on that again. No chance. Honest to God, that ride looks smooth as anything, but it's so rough. I'm not joking. The last time I went on that, it felt like I got kicked in the stomach, kicked in the ass, and kicked in the nuts. Honest to God, it just punches the hell out of you, it really does. So I can hear a car going up there now, it's about to drop in. So at that point you think, oh, this is fun, this is fun, this is fun. It chucks you up and drops you down, and now it looks smooth, but honestly God, it kicks your ass. Well, we're going to go and have a look at the penguins. Even though these are behind glass. The smelly little gits, I tell you. Oh. Fishy poop. Yeah, that fishy poop smell is permeating through the glass, I think. Wow. Yuck. They do have their own snow machine at the back though. And over there, can you see the snow coming down? Just there? Cool. Literally. Yeah, I'm stupid.
Okay, kids, get ready to step off. Get ready to step off.
Time to go see the puffins. Alcid Alcove. Oh, there's one.
They're all up on the rocks that lay their eggs.
Looks like they keep coming down. Like they're expecting to see one of
Yeah, they said that they release them from like the top to see like where they have.
It would be a fall in the bottom.
Yeah.
So there's common murre, Atlantic puffin, tufted puffin, all in the same place. Cool. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's a hummingbird. I've never seen one of them in real life. Can you see it? Nope, 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 nope. It kicks your butt. Ah man, I came to this bit especially for Wave Breaker. It's a cool roller coaster, but it's broken. The Wave Breaker is broken. Sad trombone time. Wah, wah, wah. Got myself some kettle corn and I've gotten caramel apple flavour. I'm guessing the green ones is apple and the brown ones are caramel, I guess. This with the park discount and taxes etc. was $9.08. Yeah, that was my thought, Emma. So I don't know what it is without the discount that we've got, but yeah. So we've just come off Rio Loco, which is a tube ride. You go down the rapids. We thought everything was going fine, a little couple of splashes here and there. Then we went through a waterfall. Not past a waterfall, through a waterfall. I am drenched. Squelchy feet for the rest of the day. So we've just been on Texas Stingray, which is the tallest, fastest, longest wooden roller coaster in the state of Texas. God, it was a rattly thing. Woo! Sharp winch up that one.
Yeah, do one more lap. I like it. One more lap. I think it came right.
So yeah, I'm gonna have to do a whole
Turtle.
That's the right.
Jelly donuts. This one's good. Come on, that's fun. This how you do it. Okay, what's up,
So this is a smokehouse with smokehouse platters. Sliced brisket, pork ribs, chicken quarters, sausages, and then all the sides. So this area is now called Seaworld Rescue Junior. It's been re-themed, but it used to be Sesame Street. And it's still got the Sesame Street theme. Big Bird's paw prints, footprints. Footprints? Yeah, birds have feet. Anywho, I wish Big Bird was still here. Thank you. So with the dramatic music playing in the background, that will just about do it from SeaWorld San Antonio today. I hope you enjoyed the little look around with us as much as we enjoyed taking you with us. See you on the next one. Ooh, in fact, why don't you just hit like? Why don't you just hit subscribe? 97% of you lot are watching this right now are not subscribed. 97%. So that is basically all of you, everyone here that's watching this video right now. So go hit the subscribe button, help a brother out. It costs nothing, it is free. Anywho, see you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.